Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 9th of April, 2024. Indian benchmark indices the Sensex and the Nifty scaled fresh lifetime highs on April 9th, but failed to hold on the gains as profit booking ahead of the release of key inflation figures for India and the US played spoilsport. At close, the Sensex settled 58.80 points, or 0.08%, lower at 74,683.70. The Nifty also paired to slipped from its new peak of 22,768.40 to close 24.50 points, or 0.11% lower, at 22,641.80. Top Nifty gainers were Apollo Hospitals, Hindalco, Asain Bank and Infosys, while losers were Titan Co., Hero Motocorp, Coal India and Reliance Industries. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of GODREJ Properties Limited surged 8% to hit a 52-week high of 2,791.80 rupees after announcing significant growth in booking for the March quarter as well as financial year 2024. Over the past 6 months, the stock has surged 66% and 35% this year so far. The company reported a 135% year-on-year increase in bookings in the March quarter, amounting to 9,500 rupees crore, the highest ever quarterly sales by any publicly listed real estate developer in India, it said. The growth was driven by the sale of 5,331 homes spanning over 8 million square feet. Financial year 2024 bookings surged 84% from the previous year to more than 22,500 rupees crore, exceeding the company's initial guidance by 61%. The company sold 14,310 homes, covering 20 million square feet, during the year. Shares of AJMERA Realty and Infra jumped 9% to a fresh 52-week high as the realty player announced it crossed over 1,000 rupees crore of sales in financial year 2024. For the quarter ended March 31st, AJMERA Realty saw the value of sales double to 287 rupees crore, up 104% from 140 rupees crore in the same quarter in the previous fiscal year. Collections for the quarter came in at 197 rupees crore, up 91% on year. The total sales area for the quarter was 1.12 lakh square feet, up 63% on year from 69,209 square feet in quarter for financial year 2023. The share price of Premier Explosives scaled a 52-week high of 1,979.50 rupees in early trade on April 9th as the company plans to review subdivision of its equity shares. A meeting of the board of directors of Premier Explosives is scheduled on Friday, April 19th, to consider and approve a proposal of subdivision split in the face value of equity shares of the company. The board will also consider the proposal to raise funds by issue of equity shares or convertible instruments by way of public issue, preferential issue, private placement, including one or more qualified institutional placements, or through any other permissible mode and/or combination thereof as may be considered appropriate under the applicable law, to eligible investors. Aristo Biotech and Life Science Limited in daily time frame is trading around 86.40 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 171.2 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 73.70, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 65.02. MROTEK Realty Limited in daily time frame is trading around 91.55 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.386 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 78.34, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 69.05. Emkay Global Financial Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 153.80 points with a change of 19.97% and is trading with a net volume of around 302.762 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 128.29, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 74.78. For the stock recommendation we have, Engineers India Limited looks good and can be bought at 223 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 215 rupees and a target of 234 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.